Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel MahaGurus.com. So in this short video series, we will learn about the tools and the commands used in Autocad 2018. So before using any tools, let's just understand what is Autocad. Guys, basically Autocad is a 2D rendering software. You can use it to draw a 3D structure also, but it is very time-taking software for making 3D. So it's better to go for another software like 3ds Max, Unigraphics, Revit Architect if you are from civil branch. So here is this Autocad 2018 version. You can download it from this Autodesk website. So here are all the options which you're gonna learn about, and these tools you're gonna use it very frequently. That's why these are present here only. Okay, so first let's understand how to set the unit first. Okay, like if I take any command, let's suppose I'm taking line command, and if I'm drawing a line, then here you can see it's showing 8.5068, but it's not showing any unit, like how much you don't know about it. Is centimeter, millimeter, inch, feet, anything. So first we have to set the unit. You just click anywhere on the screen, press escape, just check if your command box is totally empty, and now type here units. The first option that we have is units, this one. Either pressing enter, you can also press space bar, or you can also type UN in the short form of unit and press space bar or enter. And just after pressing it, this box pops out where you have to set the unit. So this is basically a drawing unit. Now here you have to set, whenever you will start this AutoCAD drawing, you will first have to set the units. So just set a decimal into architecture. Select the second option here and here in inches and press OK. So now whatever you will draw will be drawn in inches and feet. And let's suppose you don't want to render something in inches and feet, you want to work with centimeter or millimeter or meter, then you can do again the same thing. Just press U and enter, and then here select anything that you want, miles, yard, feet, okay, anything. So this way you can set the unit in AutoCAD. Guys, hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.